Hello traders, in this video I am going to be showing you how to use the Arrzzx2 indicator for MT4. Alright, so you just have to check the description. In the description you're going to find a link to download the indicator. Once you have done that, you go to your indicators folder, you add the indicator there, the indicator file, and then you get back to your MT4 terminal. You come to the navigator, just refresh it. And after doing that, you can look for the indicator. You can see here Arrzzx2, drag and drop, and show that the allow DLN imports box is checked. And then the inputs, you can modify the values according to your taste, depending on how sensitive you want the indicator to be. You can modify the values, okay? And then here, if you want the draw ZZ to be displayed or not, right, you can either enable or disable, okay? So now this is how the indicator looks like. You can see that the indicator automatically highlights, swing highs and swing lows for you, okay? With the form of with these arrows, you can see it highlights the swing highs and swing lows, and you can see this precise buy signal here, this precise sell signal here. This green arrow here is your buy signal. This red arrow here, this green arrow is your buy signal. This red arrow is your sell signal, okay? All you have to do is watch out for those signals, and then you execute your trades accordingly. Here you can see there was a buy signal, and currently you can see price has gone all the way up to this point. Okay, so you also have to look out for patterns, right? Chart patterns, candlestick patterns, just to support the signal being given to you by the indicator. Of course, it's always good to get confirmations, additional confirmations, very important. All right, so now as for risk management, it's important that you manage your risk properly, okay? Have a good risk plan, okay? You can decide to have a fixed amount of money you want to be risking in a particular trade, and then just be consistent. All right, remember that no indicator guarantees profit. So you have to manage your risk so that during the times when the indicator fails, you'll be able to have limited losses, and when the indicator does well, you can be able to have good gains. All right, so guys, that is it for this indicator. It's a very straightforward indicator. As you can see, there's not much to talk about, okay? Very self-explanatory. You just have your upward green arrow giving you a buy signal, and you can see these other arrows showing you that this is a swing low, and you can see this downward red arrow, your sell signal, alongside these other arrows telling you that this is around a swing high, okay? So that is it, guys. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Kindly like the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not done that already, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.